a tall building on the right hand side near the train goes. That is our city council.
Yung bus.
Malaysian Kuala Lumpur City
Kung
Council.
tayo, hindi natin makita.
Okay, listen. Okay, on this building, on the tallest building next to your right hand side, huh? This is our oldest, not sir, our new city council. This is best council in South Asia, better than Manila.
Okay. Kaayo.
Just to see it, we are all this area were villages, wooden houses and brick houses owned by Chinese people, rich people. Now, already got here, hotels here, colleges here, and what you call shopping here, everything here now. These are one of the Tamil school here, Indian Tamil school, and the Chinese school here. They are very old, but this is new. See how beautiful it is.
Ang ganda rin ng mga ano nila building ano.
Oo.
Ano rin kakaiba yung building ng Malaysia.
Ang structural na.
Marami siyang ano, iba't ibang design yung magkakatabi.
ASEAN flags here, welcoming flags. Yes. We are not worried about the delay, but we are
Tulad
very
ano
happy
parang
to see
barko.
Ferdinand Marcos here. They are junior.
He's already here.
Yeah, he's already here.
Putra.
Came here yesterday.